Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, this is SYGTECH, and this is the Canon R50 V. This is the first video from my upcoming series. If you're a content creator, vlogger, product reviewer, make sure to stay till the end because I believe this is the perfect camera for content creation. I feel like this camera has been created for myself. Let's start with some very interesting features that actually makes perfect sense for content creators like us. This camera packs a ton of cool features, but I'm gonna show you only the ones that actually makes the content creation super easy. Also, I'm gonna recommend two lenses that actually is gonna help you to your journey as a content creator, vlogger, or product reviewer. These two lenses actually helped me, and that's why I'm going to recommend exactly the same lenses, so stay tuned for later in the video. And now let's start with the first feature, which is must as a content creator or vlogger: autofocus. Canon R50 V packs probably one of the best autofocus system on the market, period. I tried it pretty much every single day and it works every time. So the autofocus is good, so you can track people, pets, vehicles. It's fantastic, it's super reliable, and this is what you want from a camera. The autofocus is just fantastic. Probably this is one of the best features that you can get with the Canon R50 V. Let's continue with the next feature, which is a front record button. This is perfect, make perfect sense. Not just that, you have a telelight as well. So when you press the record button, there's a light that shows you that you're recording. How many times you probably tried to press the record button, you thought, is the record button is on or not? Then you look and your record button is not being on and you are in the zone. You try to deliver something special, but this is a problem. But luckily Canon R50 V has these two amazing features: record button and telelight. This is fantastic. I really hope Canon continues with this lineup because it makes perfect sense. R50 V is super lightweight, compact, makes the vlogging experience super easy, and content creation. You can take this camera pretty much everywhere. As a matter of fact, this camera is pocketable. You easily can put the R50 V in your pocket. Fantastic feature. Probably you notice something on the camera: we don't have a flash and we don't have a viewfinder. And this is a good thing because the camera is lightweight. Like I said earlier, this is a V-series camera for video-centric creators like me. So as a matter of fact, I don't need a viewfinder, I don't need a flash, I just record videos, and this makes perfect sense. What about vertical videos? Canon R50 V makes the vertical videos super easy and convenient, regardless if you create videos for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. As you can see on the side, we have a tripod mount. This is excellent and it's a brilliant feature. Makes the vertical shots super easy. Let me demonstrate. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me turn the camera on and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna press record and then I'm gonna get my tripod. This is so convenient, and I'm gonna show you. This makes the content creation super easy. And as you can see, I am ready to record my YouTube Shorts video. Super convenient, super easy, amazing feature. I recommend to try it. I love it. The Canon R50 V, it's a very powerful camera, but what about lenses? So I recommend two lenses that actually makes perfect sense for content creation. They're super versatile for any condition, for any situations. The first lens is the kit lens, 14 to 30 millimeter. This is fantastic lens, especially the power zoom feature, which makes it super easy for B-roll shots. Highly recommend this lens with the Canon R50 V. Now, some people probably is gonna say to avoid this lens, but this is wrong. You definitely should get the Canon R50 V with this lens. It's fantastic lens, highly recommended. The second lens that I recommend is the 10 to 18 ultra wide. This is a fantastic lens for wider shots. It's perfect, it's very sharp, and it's very lightweight. As a matter of fact, actually I got both kit lenses and the 10 to 18 for my EFS. So that's why I recommend exactly these two lenses for versatile situations, for wider shots, for zoom shots. Perfect lenses for content creation. So there we have it, guys. This is the Canon R50 V. Highly recommend this camera in 2026 if you're a content creator like me. This camera packs so many cool features, but the feature that stood out to me The autofocus, long battery life, compact size, lightweight, super for content creation, especially the feature when you create shorts for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. This is a fantastic feature. I really like the record button on the front, the tele light, super easy to record content in 2026. Stay tuned for my next upcoming video comparing the R50 Volts with my Canon 200D. This is going to be interesting, and I'm going to show you more about both cameras. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.